Welcome back from the break, and we are here at the DV Beach Tennis Tournament, and of course it is the 2014 edition. We have some players with us here that we want to ask some questions about, so let's start with you, sir. Where are you from, first of all, and how is the event going?
I'm from Portugal, and I'm loving Aruba and the tournament.
Is this your first time here, and tell me the category you play and the competition level?
It's my first time. I'm playing in pro level or open level.
And what is it about the Aruba tournament that you like so much so far?
I like the weather because in Portugal it's raining and like 5 or 10 degrees, and very strong players, so I like to play against the best.
Perfect. Now, besides for Portugal, we have 25 different countries that's participating in this beach tennis tournament, actually. So we have some ladies here who are, I believe, from Reunion, or are you from somewhere else?
Portugal.
You're also from Portugal?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is it about the Islands tournament that's really captivating your attention and that you're enjoying so much?
The level, the players, the sun, the weather, the spirit is very, very good. It's different. This tournament is different.
And how many years have you been playing for, and do you think you'll be returning for next year?
Sorry, I don't understand.
How many years have you been playing beach tennis?
5 years, 6.
And how many different tournaments have you been going to?
A lot in Europe. This first time out of Europe.
And will you be coming back next year?
Maybe. I try. Sure.
And for you girls, where are you guys from, and what level of beach tennis are you playing?
We come from Reunion Island, which is a French island close to South Africa. This is my third time here in Aruba, and Aruba is a perfect place for playing beach tennis. The level is really big here, and the place is really nice. The mood is really good. So
now, Reunion, where you're from, beach tennis is a big sport there. So how would you compare the tournament back at home and then the tournament here in Aruba?
The tournament, okay, is not the same, but I mean we have a really good and nice tournament in March, which is a G1 too, and with big audience possible too. And in Reunion Island we have a lot of players too, so this is the same part.
How do you feel about so many different countries coming together in one place in such a small island, and then having one thing in common, and that is the passion for beach tennis? So how do you feel about being a part of that?
Good.
Happiness.
Yeah, good. Go, Caroline, go.
Caroline, you tell me. Don't be shy. Caroline, you tell me, what do you like about the fact that there's 25 different countries in Aruba for 1 week and everyone having the same thing in common, which is beach tennis?
I don't know. It's nice. It's very nice. A lot of country. It's good. It's beach tennis for me.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Success. Good luck. And signing off right here at the DV Beach Tennis Arena, actually the Amstel Bright Arena, I'm Yan Tulio, and be sure to join us again tomorrow night for a brand new edition of 15 on 15. And don't forget, Friday night at 8:30 p.m. after Noticia Amanochi, I will be broadcasting to you from Eagle Beach. And then on Sunday, Kadoji Kok and I will be live for the main event straight from Eagle Beach.